Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter that is practical geometry, and regarding this chapter we have to learn some definitions that already we have done in the previous grade. Let's learn line, line segments, ray and angles, right? So the line, a geometrical line extends endlessly in the both of the directions. You can see here example AB. So here you can see an example. A geometrical line exceeds endlessly means both of the directions you can extend it. So example parallel lines can be an example of it. Now line segment. A geometric segment starts on one point and ends on the other. So here you can see the example, that is AB. AB is a line segment which starts, this line which starts with A point and ends on point B. Different examples we have like chalk, pen, spacebar in a keyboard. Then rays, a geometrical ray starts on one point and extends endlessly on the other. Means what? From only one direction, from one side only this line would be extendable. So example, sun rays, torch and arrow, and so on. Angles, an angle is the figure formed by two rays or line segments called the side of the angles sharing a common endpoint. You can see here it's a common endpoint, that's called vertex of an angle. Angles can be divided into six. So here various we have: acute angle, which is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree; right angle, which is exact 90 degree; obtuse, more than 90 but less than 180; straight, exact 180 degree; reflex angle, more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree; and complete, exactly 360 degree. Now the next we have parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So in this chapter we are going to learn about this. Parallel, these are the coplanar lines, they do not intersect. You can see in the given example. So here M and N, they both are parallel, and here you can see this is the symbolic representation of the parallel lines. How will you express it? How will you symbolically represent this? This M is parallel to N, two standing line. This way you are going to represent it. Now perpendicular lines, two coplanar lines that intersect at right angles 90 degrees. So here you can see this is at 90 degree, and this line, this can you see this symbolic? So this symbol, this way you can represent as, so here F is perpendicular on G. Now how to construct parallel lines? So draw a line and a point. Can you see this? So here I'm going to show some of the steps. So here draw a line and point, not on the line, on a sheet of a print. Anyway, any side of this you can draw it. Try to construct a parallel line through this point with a compass and a strategy. Begin with point P, right? So here this is a line that is K, and point P, draw an arbitrary line through point P1 intersecting line K. Then intersection point Q, can you see this? P and K, they both are going to intersect that point Q. Now the task is to construct an angle with the vertex P. Then center the compass here, this one, center the compass at point Q and draw an arc intersecting both the lines. So can you see this? This is going to intersect both of the lines, right? Without changing the radius. I repeat, without changing the radius of the compass, center it at point B and draw one another arc. Can you see this? Right? So this is what? Arc 1 and arc 2. Let me explain it again. Center the compass at point Q and draw an arc. So this is what? Arc 1, right? With the same radius, without changing the radius of the compass, center it at P and draw this another arc, that is your A2, arc 2. Now set the compass radius to the distance between the two intersection point of first arc, and now center the compass at the point where the second arc intersect, mark as PQ. So mark this arc at the intersection point of R. Clear? Now this point, line PR is parallel to line K. This is line K and this is PR. So symbolically, how will you write? PR is parallel to line K. Now the next thing, how to construct a perpendicular line to a line through a specific point. So this is a point, how you can construct this a perpendicular line. So how to construct a perpendicular to a line through a specific? What you will do, you have to create a bisector from these points anywhere you can. So these points you have to construct the perpendicular to a given line. Then what you will do, open your compass to a size greater than the distance from R to L. So here make an arc, right, with the compass point on R and draw an arc with, label is this E and F. So let's take, this is E point and this is F point. Then place the compass point on E. This compass point you have to place on point E and make an arc. So here, can you see this? Make an arc. Keep the same compass setting, means what? No need to change the setting. Keep the same with the compass tip on F. Now you are going to place this tip of this on point F and draw an arc that intersect the arc from set 2. So this set 1, from set 1 we got this one, and you have to intersect this arc. Now label the point of intersection point at G. So here I have written point G. Now this point G and the point which was lying outside of it, you have to draw a line. So that is what, this is a perpendicular line. Clear? So regarding this practice we are going to do in the live session too. Thank you so much.